In 1982, the Dance Committee of ITI founded International Dance Day to be celebrated every year on the 29th April, the birthday of Jean-Georges Nauvier, creator of modern ballet. The intention of the International Dance Day message is to celebrate dance, revel in the universality of this art form, cross all political, cultural, and ethnic barriers, and bring people together with a common language, dance. Now we are going to discuss about the classical dances of India. Dances of India can be divided into two parts, classical and folk. The classical dances of India are very attractive and glorious. Number 1. Kathakali. Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance. It is a story play genre of art, but one distinguished by the elaborately colorful makeup, costumes, and face masks that the traditionally male actor dances wear. Kathakali is a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam-speaking southwestern region of India. Number 2. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the major Indian classical dances. It originated in a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. Number 3. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a major form of classical dances that originated in the state of Tamil Nadu hundreds of years ago. It is one of 8 forms of dance recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy, and it expresses South Indian religious themes and spiritual ideas, particularly of Shaivism, Vaishnavism, and Shaktism. Number 4. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is one of the classical dances of India that developed and remained popular in the state of Kerala. Kathakali is another classical dance form of Kerala. Number 5. Manipuri. Manipuri dance, also known as Jagoi, is one of the major Indian classical dance forms, named after the region of its origin, Manipur, a state in northeastern India bordering with Myanmar, Assam, Nagaland, and Mizoram. Number 6. Kathak. Kathak is one of the 8 major forms of Indian classical dance. The origin of Kathak is traditionally attributed to the traveling birds of ancient northern India known as Kathakars or storytellers. Number 7. Odissi. Odissi is a classical dance that originated in Odisha, India. Odissi, also referred to as Odishi in older literature, is a major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the Hindu temples of Odisha, an eastern coastal state of India. Number 8. Kshatriya. Kshatriya Nritya is originated in the eastern state of India. It is a dance drama performance art with origins in the Krishna-centered Vaishnavism monasteries of Assam, and attributed to the 15th century Bhakti movement scholar and Saint Mahapurush Srimanta Shankara Dev. Kshatriya was given the status of classical dance in the year 2000 by the Sangeet Natak Academy. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life.
Dance is the hidden language of our soul.
The dance is a poem of which each movement is a word.
There are many shortcuts of happiness, and dance is one of them.
Dance is something which is beyond gender. They can be boys, they can be girls. Something which is beyond physical structure. Dancers can be healthy, dancers can be thin. Dance is something which is beyond age. They can be infants, they can be aged.